In this video, we will see how we can increase or decrease the font size of Visual Studio Code in Microsoft Windows. So at first we need to open Visual Studio Code, and once we open, we'll find this type of interface. Then from here we have to click this file menu and a new menu will be appeared. From here we have to come down a little bit and we'll see preferences. If we move our cursor on top of the preferences, then it will bring another menu. From here, one of the option is settings. We just need to press here and then it will open this settings tab or window. So there are a couple of settings are there, like user or workspace. So in this video, actually I will show you how I can change the font on my particular user account of this Windows. So from this user, basically there is one option is there, text editor. We just need to expand it. If we click here, it will be expanded like this. And from here, we'll find font. We just need to click here, font, and the font related information or settings will be appeared here. From here, if we go down a little bit, we'll find an option is there like font size. Controls the font size in pixels. So right now it is showing 10. Okay, that's why this size is like that. So I want to increase this size like 20. I want bigger font size basically. That's why I am putting 20 over there. But you can use your own font size here, like 13 or 12, whatever you want. You can do this thing. Once you type the font size, then you can close it, and you will see that the font size increased. So in this way, we can easily, very easily, basically change the font size in Visual Studio Code on Windows computer. Thank you guys for watching the video.